Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use your data to improve your Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to go to your Discord profile. For us to go there, we need to click on the icon on the bottom right corner that has your little profile picture on it. And once you click it, that will bring you here. So we have status, account, user profile, privacy, and safety. We're going to click on privacy and safety. That will bring us here. So we're going to scroll down till we see how we use your data. So use data to improve Discord. So this setting allows us to use and proceed information about how you navigate and use Discord for analytic purposes. For example, it allows us to include you in new feature experiments we test. So we're going to flip the switch. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!